Hello, hello, everyone, and welcome to Losers Become Winners for February 6, 2020. QQQ gets LBL. For veterans who've been here before, they know what that stands for. But for the new people, let's go show it to them. And there it is. LBL means that we're over 30%. So I'm going to what they call last bar low right there. And it is reading at 227.85. We already have the order set at 227.85. So if price comes down and touches that tomorrow, I'm out. And we're running at 583 here on the close. It owes 998. So if that happens, rocks become pebbles, pebbles become profit. So that means that QQQ will only owe me 405, providing it gets stopped out tomorrow. Might not. It might just go. Why? We have a rising MACD down here, which is kind of cool. And we have still a rising stochastic and a rising 30-day moving average. So these three indicators indicate that we might get more movement up here and then just be tracing this trade with the last bar low. And that'd be cool. But here's the surprise. The same surprise we had yesterday. XLV. What's really cool about XLV, remember that XLV is playing for a $3 loss. Life was a penny stock that I took a hit on. It owed me a few $100s. And if you guys have been watching my videos, XLV paid off and got down to $3. It's like football, 3 yards in goal. So, and XLV, we did have a trade in XLV earlier that should have got out here, and I made a mistake and did not move my stop and got stopped out for a $1,000 loss. No big deal. Why? It gets entered on the losers list, but it got entered on the losers list under its own banner, XLV. So when I get down to XLV, the next time I'll be working on getting that money back. So the good part is we are 3 percentage points away, and look at this. Unfortunately, there is no exit rule. Oh, wait a minute, there is an exit rule right there. Forgot about that. So the exit rule there is, okay, I see it. It's going to be 101.95. No, we've been chasing it already. So we're going to come here and change this to 101.95. PZ, profit zone, moving average, and February 10th. Okay, fool. There it is. And we can get another 3 percentage points tomorrow. It'll go to last bar low. But here's the interesting thing. It is up $884 on 8 contracts. Now, why did this get 8 contracts and the QQQ only got 2? It was in the order of receipt that the order went out. So that's why you'll see some with higher contracts and some with lower contracts. And that's because at the time that their opportunity came up in the rotation, there was only so much buying power available. If there's enough buying power, then I go to my calculator. If I don't have enough buying power, then I buy what I can. Rocks become pebbles, pebbles become profit. This is going to get profit, and I'm really tempted to give it an all bases loaded, but nah. Why? Because down here, this is a big drop here. We closed here at 103. This is 102. That's a good drop. That could cut really deep because it's 8 contracts. All right. Nothing else to report over here. These guys are in the negative. And going over to the Tigers, let's go take a look at the Tigers. And unfortunately, the Tigers only have Coca-Cola running for it, and it's behind. There were 2 other trades. One got canceled out. The other one is still in play. We'll see if the Tigers can pick up a trade here or 2. So that pretty much does wrap it up. Finishing up here on XLV for today's Losers Become Winners. Thank you for stopping by. I did it again. Oops, Britney Spears. There we go. And I thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.